Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put negative number 1 go in here, you will have about negative number 8. If I put negative number 1 go in here, you will have about positive number 1. 1 minus 1 you got about 0, but on numerator you got about negative number 8. So in this situation, I need to create about the limit on the left and the limit on the right of this function in here. So on the left, so we have negative number 1 on the left, but this is about the even power. So that means they always provide a positive number. If we put negative number 1 on the left, they will greater than negative number 1 in here, because on the left you still got about positive, and this positive is greater than negative number 1. So if we minus together, you still got about positive, but this one still about negative number 8. So that means negative number 8 divided by positive number 0, you got about negative infinity. Similar for this one. On the right, you got about positive again, because this is about even power. But on numerator, you still got about negative number 8. Negative number 8 divided by positive infinity, positive number 0, you still got about negative infinity, because you still have about negative number 8. But this one, they still about the positive number. That's why you got about negative infinity. Question number 2. We can apply two formulas in here. The first one, and the second one. So we can apply the formula this one for this one, because number 64, that's about 4 to the power of 3, and this one we have s minus 4, s squared plus 4s plus 16. This one we can apply for this one, and we have s minus 4, s plus 4. And now we need to simplify s minus 4 on numerator and denominator. And now I can put number 4 going here, here, and here. And then we can get the final answer. And that is about number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.